let's deal with those stubborn paint splatters on your windows. It's not as tough as it looks. For this, you'll need a razor blade. No fuss, yet highly practical. Grab a spray bottle and fill it about halfway with water. Then, add several drops of dish soap. This makes for a gentle yet potent paint softener. Give it a good shake to mix it all up. Your homemade paint softener is ready. Spray the soapy water onto the paint. Let it sit for a minute to soften the stain. Gently scrape the paint with the blade. Hold it at an angle. Be patient and careful. Wipe off any residue with a cloth. And there you go, paint-free and clear windows. Paint removal can be so easy and effective. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time.